welcome to my YouTube channel Home Tutor. Today I am going to review about some of the BA first sem books. So now I will review one by one. This is the first sem Sociology Honours book of CBCS BA Honours first semester syllabus, which is written by Manisha Brito, Mahabir Publication. And this is the English communication for all the students of honors, which is written by Bhiba Devi, Dr. Bhiba Devi. And this is the alternative English book, Vibrant Use, written by Mridul Borduloy and Pratik Chaudhary. So at first we will review this book, what is written inside this book. So now we will open this. So here we can see the price, that is 200 rupees, and so this is the preface of the book. Manisha Alex Brito has written. So now we will discuss the syllabus of BA Sociology Honours CBCS first semester core course 1. Introduction to Sociology 1. Total credit is equal to 6. Total marks 80 plus 20 is equal to 100. Total classes 38. Total tutorials 7. Class duration 1 class is equal to 1 hour. 1 tutorial equal to 1 hour. 6 class per week. So now first unit, Sociology, Discipline and Perspective. Number A, Thinking Sociologically. Number B, Emergence of Sociology and Social Anthropology. Unit 2, Sociology and Other Social Sciences. A, Sociology and Social Anthropology. B, Sociology and Psychology, Sociology and History. Unit 3, Basic Concepts, Individual and Group. B, Association and Institutions. C, Culture and Society. D, Social Change.
Yep.
Now we will see the back side of the book. So what is written? Now it is written here. You can www.mahabir publication. You can visit this website and you can purchase the book from the Amazon also. Now this is the second book, English Communication, written by Dr. Bhiba Devi. So I will show you this book also. Now the second book is English Communication, written by Dr. Bhiba Devi. This is a compulsory paper for all honors students of Arts, Science and Commerce, Mahabir Publication, for first semester. So now I will review this book, which is rupees 160 only. Now this is the preface written here by Dr. Bhiba Devi. So now I will discuss the whole syllabus. For first semester core code 10310 AECC1, which is this the paper name. Now English Communication, Unit 1, Communication Theory and Types. Number 2, Speaking Skills. Number 3, Reading and Understanding. Number 4, Writing Skills. So first in Unit 1, what is written we will see now. Theory of Communication, Types and Modes of Communication, Verbal and Non-Verbal, Personal, Social and Business, Barriers and Strategies, Intrapersonal and Interpersonal and Group Communication, Monologue, Dialogue, Group Discussion, Effective Communication, Interview, Public Speech. Now Unit 3, Reading and Understanding, Close Reading, Comprehension, Summary, Paraphrasing, Analyzing and Interpretation, Translation, Literary, Knowledge Text. Unit 4, Writing Skills, Documenting, Report Writing, Making Notes, Letter Writing. So now I will show you the back side of the book, what is written here about the author. Now you can purchase this book from www.mahabirpublication.com or from Amazon you can also purchase. So now I will also review the second Alti English book. This is the alternative English book from Oxford, Vibrant Use, written by Mridul Borduloy, Pratik Chaudhary. So now I will review. Here is the preface written. Acknowledgement, and here is the contents. So all the chapters will not come in the exam, only a few chapters will come. total 4 chapters I have given in the examination. So first chapter is the Doctrine of the Sword, written by Mahatma Gandhi. Number 2, Prospectus of Democracy in India by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Number 4, Mass Culture by M.V.C. Jeffries. And in section 2 there are only one chapter, 9, The Dog of Tithawal, written by Sadat Hassan Mento. Now I will show you the back side of the book, which is this book, and you can see here what is written back side. Here it is written about the vibrant hues was prepared for students opting for alternative English in the AECC course. So now what is written here, you can see about Mridul Baudelaire and Pratik Chaudhary, and here Oxford University Press, www.india.oup.com, and here is the price written 150 rupees. So guys, you can purchase this book from online or from your local market. So you can see this is were the 3 books that I have studied during my first semester examination, CBCS. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and to never miss updates, please press the bell notification. Thank you.